In this video, we show how to replace the DC-SCM module in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the system cover, front cover, risers, the E3 module. To remove the DC-SCM card, disconnect the RSVI cable from the DC-SCM module. Release the blue latch, then slide the card out of its slot. To install the DC-SCM card, align the card with the slot and slide it in until it's fully seated. Press the blue latch to lock it securely in place. Then reconnect the RSVI cable on the DC-SCM module. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.